After 15 hours long operation conducted yesterday, the 11th of September, the ANTF successfully detected one car from Selsella, Nabbed with 3 drug peddlers, namely Madgrig CH Marak, Jaksram CH Marak and Bringstar CH Marak. After police have apprehended them, the following items were recovered: approx 10.22 gram suspected heroin, 92.54 gram grey colored unknown powder suspected to be a contraband, and cash of rupees 57,500. Besides, police also recovered one blue color plastic case, one medicine cover with clavam written on it, one small empty plastic container. From another vehicle, Maruti 800 car bearing registration number ML105575, police recovered 3 numbers of mobile phones and other suspicious materials. A case has been registered and investigation is going on.